Welcome back to online learning. Dear learners, today we are going to take up a poem from class 7th. The name of the poem is The Shed and it is written by Frank Flynn. Written by Frank Flynn. Now this poem deals with a small boy like you who is very scared of a place which is in the other side of his house, which is not used on daily basis. Now before we begin this poem, let us see what is a shed. So dear learners, you know that shed is a place. It is a small room away from the main house for storing or keeping things, animals, tools, vehicles, etc. So this is called a shed. This is called a shed. It may be used for keeping our pets. It may be used for keeping our tools. It may be used for keeping some extra furniture in it. So that is called a shed. And when we are very little or when we are of at a young age, we are scared of going alone in that place. So let us see what is there in this poem, how the poet is also feeling the same kind of experience, same kind of feeling in his mind is there, a kind of fearness is there in poet's mind, and he doesn't want to go to that place, but he is telling us that yes, one day he will go to that place and find out what is there inside that shed. Let us begin this. There is a shed at the bottom of our garden. Now the poet is telling us that there is a shed, there is a room, there is an extra room at the bottom of our garden. Bottom can be that at a lower end of their garden. So bottom can be, yes, in most of the hilly regions, you know that houses, no, they are made on, they are not as even as we have our houses on plain area. So here lower end of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door, and there is a spider's web which is hanging across the door. Across means here on both the sides, from this side to this side, from one side to the other side. The hinges are rusty. Now the hinges of these doors, no, hinges of doors are rusty. Suppose this is a door, so here these are the hinges, these are the hinges of this door. Hinges of this door are rusty and they are creaking, they are making noise, they are making noise when there is a wind, when there is a wind. When I am in bed, I lie and listen. So the poet is listening all these things when he is sleeping, when he is in bed, and lying there, he is listening all these things. Now what he is thinking? He is thinking that one day I will open that door. Now he is telling that I will open that door one day, but not today. Why? Today he is feeling very fearful. He is afraid of going to that place, and that is why he is telling us that one day he will go and open that door. There is a dusty old window around at the side. Now he is telling that there is a dusty old window. An old window is there which is full of dust, which is full of dust. So because it has not been opened on daily basis, regular basis, so there is lot of dust on that window around at the side with three cracked panes. Now there are three cracked means here broken window panes are there, and the window panes are broken. How many? 3 window panes are broken. I often think there is someone staring at me. Now he is thinking, he is afraid that someone is staring at him. Someone is looking at him. Each time that I pass, now he is thinking that whenever I pass, whenever I go near that place, or whenever I pass through that place, he is thinking that someone is looking at him. I will peep through that window one day. Now again he is telling that today he will not peep. Peep means here look into. Look into. Now he is thinking that yes, today I am not going to go to that place and have a look into that place. He says that I will peep through that window one day, not today. My brother says there is a ghost in the shed. Now he is telling that his brother is telling him that there is a ghost in the shed. There is a ghost in the shed. And why he is telling? Because he doesn't want him to go inside that shed. He wants to keep that shed for himself. He wants to keep that room for his personal use. So that is why he is telling him that there is a ghost in that shed. Who hides under the rotten floorboards? Now he is telling that that ghost is hiding. That ghost is hiding under the rotten. Rotten means here decayed. Decayed floorboards are there. So under that floorboards, that ghost is hiding. And if I dare to set foot inside, now his brother is giving him warning that in case he dares, if he has courage to set foot inside that shed, then he will jump out and chop off his head. Chop means here cut. So that ghost will jump out and cut his head. But I will take a peek. I will take a peek one day. Now he is saying that yes, one day I will go and have a look. To look at something. To look at something very secretly, we can say. Very secretly. That is called peek. So he said that one day I will take a chance. I will go there and have a look at that place very secretly. I know that there isn't really a ghost. Now he is telling that yes, I know that there is not a ghost. But now he is afraid of it. He has some fear in his mind. That is why he doesn't want to go to that shed today. My brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. Now the poet is telling that yes, he knows that there is not a ghost, and even then he doesn't want to go to that place because he is afraid of it. My brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. His den means here keep that room for personal use. Now actually den is a place only. It is a place, or we can say it is a room. So here, but this his brother wants to this place for his personal room, for his study room, or maybe for playing, so that his brother alone can play in it. That is why he is telling him that there is a ghost inside that shed. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises. Now he is telling that there is not anyone who is staring, who is looking, or making some strange noises, unusual noises. He is telling that there is no one who is looking or making some unusual noises. And the spider has been gone off from his web. He is telling that even the spider is not there. He has also gone from that web. Since I don't know when. He is telling that yes, I know that spider has left that place, but I don't know exactly at what time he left that place. So once again he is making his mind that I will go into that shed one day soon, but not just yet. So he is telling that today I am very young. Today he is very young. So that is why he is scared, or we can say he is afraid. But he is telling that yes, one day surely I will go to that shed and find out whether there is a ghost or not. Thank you.